Hello friends, I am here again with a powerful message today. Remember, whenever we build habits, small habits becomes more powerful. But do you know how we can build powerful habits and how many days it takes to build those powerful habits? Now, researchers says that it takes from 21 days to up to 9 months to build a powerful habits. It all depends upon what type of habits you wanted to build and what are the results you wanted. But most important is many people starts building habits, small habits or maybe some big habits or maybe something which they feel that this is a good habit. They just start with very good enthusiasm. However, after a few days, they lost interest in that. There are so many reasons, but I think three major reasons people fail to continue that habit. First one is they don't see immediate results of their habits. The second reason is they don't have a strong desire, a strong willpower from within. And the third reason is the distractions, the other distractions, the people around us who demotivates us, the social media, the other digital gadgets, they may also distract us. So these are the three major reasons I see to continue powerful habits or any small habits you wanted to build. However, remember that there is one example I wanted to give about hen. Hen hatches eggs for 21 days. Just continuously sitting on the eggs for 21 days, and after that it gives birth to the chicks. That's what 21 days of habit brings up. Remember, there is another example of water. A small drop of water, if you continuously drop on a stone, it can break the stone. I have seen so many stones broken. Remember, it is just a very small drop of water, but it is a consistent drop. That is what is important. Whatever small habits you wanted to build, try to build that daily, every day. This is all very important. Any habits, suppose you have thought like you will read one page of a book every day. Just try to continue that. You will get more insights every day, more understanding, more knowledge every day. Decide any other habits. But building habits is very important, and it should be powerful enough that it will build the results within few days or maybe after few months. But remember, consistent practice is important. Whatever you decide, be consistent, have a discipline to it. That is why it is there. And this is my day 18 of 21 day challenge, where I am practicing this public speaking skills, or where I am improving myself with the communication skills. I am getting day by day more confidence, more experience in this speaking, and this is helping me a lot. That's why building small habits is very important, and having consistency is very important. That's why start doing, act now, whatever, identify what you wanted to achieve in life. Start building your habits towards that. That is what all is important. And remember, when you build small daily habits step by step, one day it will be a big habit, a powerful habit. That's what we all wanted to do. That's what I wanted to convey in this video. If you like this video, if you have any suggestions or comments, please do let me know in the comment section. And if you like my video, then please subscribe to my channel as well. Thank you for watching.